Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay, so very good morning. My name is Tanu Vermani. I'll be your examiner today for the IELTS speaking test. Can you please tell me your full name?
My name is Vagisha Kachla.
Okay, and what should I call you?
You can address me with my first name, Vagisha.
Can I see your identification?
Yes, ma'am. See, here it is. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Let's talk about your hometown. Where is your hometown?
So basically, I'm belong from Hisar, Haryana. It is situated in the northern region of India, and so basically, it's situated in Haryana, and it is a very traditional background. We have a lot of history in the fighting. For instance, I want to give you the explanation about this, that we have took part in the very big fight of our Indian history, that is Mahabharata in from Haryana.
Okay. What do you like about it? Like your hometown?
Because I want to tell you that I have spent my 4 years in London, but I missed my hometown, just because we have a lot of beautiful sculptures. For instance, we have very traditional buildings in my hometown, and there is another very big tower, which is very we from that tower we can see our whole hometown. Oh, like the whole city we can see. And the last thing I like the most, that is a we can find a ample of street foods, so, which is I like most.
Okay. Is there anything you don't like about your hometown?
The basically the thing I don't like, which is coming raising now these days, that is traffic jam. Because the roads are very overcrowded by the people, because of number of cars are driving on the roads, which is I don't like.
Would you like to live there in the future?
Yes, probably I will would love to stay here until unless I got the golden opportunity for my career.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, no, to be very honest, I like traveling very much. In other words, my friends are calling me like wanderlust, because I love to travel to the other countries and many cities, because I love to explore the location very well.
What kind of places do you like to visit?
uh, the mountain region is very close to my heart. I like to go there to get some peace, and to see the scenic beauty of mountain region.
Do you usually travel alone or with others?
Actually, it's depend. But I like to go to travel with my friends and my family.
What was your last holiday be like?
I went to the Missouri in my last holiday. It was time October 2024. I visited there, and I enjoyed. And as I have mentioned above, that I love to explore mountain region.
Do you think holidays are important?
Yes, definitely. Holidays are very important to everyone, because when you get a spare time from the busy schedule of from your lifestyle, then is definitely to get some time for yourself, in which you can relax yourself and take and enjoy also.
Okay, now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then I'll ask you to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You can also make notes if you wish. If you want to book your वन ऑन वन स्पीकिंग टेस्ट विद मी, सो बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड करो या फिर आप वेबसाइट पे जाकर भी बुक कर सकते हो अपने टेस्ट को। शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, स्पीकिंग इंटरव्यू विद द टीचर, अपने स्लॉट को बुक करो एंड गिव योर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट। अगर आपको अपनी राइटिंग इवैल्यूएट करानी है तो अपने राइटिंग टास्क 1 और टास्क 2 को शॉप सेक्शन में जाकर अपलोड करो और रियल एग्जाम टीचर आपको देंगे डिटेल करेक्शंस प्लस अ फीडबैक। Okay, you can start speaking now.
Yes, as we know that learning the new things is a very good thing, and we should keep on learning, whether it is we are from a young age or the adult age. So today I'm going to tell you about one new thing which I have learned recently. I started taking classing to drive a car. I took the lesson to driving the car because when my mom was sick and then nobody was at home to take her to the hospital, so at that point I thought I should also learn the driving car, because this kind of critical circumstances will be happen again also, so we should learn this thing. So I started to the driving class also, and I enjoyed when I started first it. And but initially I was very scaring from the driving because on the crowded roads, but meanwhile my tutor was very helpful and very supportive. He gave me the confidence to initiate the step, and I have done very wonderful job. And I got a very good feedback from my tutor, who gave me the lesson for driving. And finally I got the full confidence to drive. Now I'm ready to go anywhere with my car. And I'm very glad that I have learned from my from that thing, that I am I'm dependent on someone. If I would know the driving on that day, so I was capable to take my mom at the hospital. So from that point of from that point I realized, and I overcome my fear and my mistake, and I recorrected, and I took the lessons, and now I am very good driver. Thank you.
Okay. Why do people like to learn new things?
As I have mentioned above, new learning new things is a very good thing. It means that we are interested to learn to new things. We are not scared from anything. For instance, like artificial intelligence tool. So it is very common now these days. If we are working in a private sector, then we should know about the AI tools. So from this instance, we should learn that we will always ready to learn new things.
Do you think people learn better alone or with others?
In my perception, people learn alone because they have a more concentrate on themselves without any distraction from any other people around them. So
Is it easier for children or adults to learn new things?
at a certain note, it is very easy for young age children because they are a very new person, new. So they we it is easy for a tutor also to teach them new things, because they don't have anything set up in their minds. And so it's easy to learn the new children rather than the younger older generation, because the old generation already have set few things in their mind, so it's little bit difficult to teach them.
How has technology changed the way people learn?
As we know that from last few years the technology has changed completely, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. The learning tools has been completely changed. For instance, now people are learning new things from the online courses, and it is very beneficial for them because it provides the facility at their home, so they don't need to go outside also. So everybody wants to learn new things because they don't compromise to go any other place.
Do you think traditional classrooms will disappear in the future?
As per the growth of the online study, so then we can say that definitely they will disappear from some point, because uh, if they will be stay in the future, then definitely the study and the book will be disappear, definitely, for sure. Because they will also start the online courses, and they will also give them tablets for their courses.
What skills do you think will be most important in the future?
As I have mentioned above also, that this era is completely surrounded by artificial intelligence. So it's a new skill which every person should develop in them to sustain in the future.
Okay, Vagisha, that is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much. Let me just give you a quick feedback. The entire feedback will be updated on your portal. So your estimated band would be 5.5. What I observe in your test is that you have a frequent hesitation and long thinking gaps. And filter sounds like You repeated this several times, right? And you self correct too often. बहुत बार self correct करते हो. You know what is self correction? When you want to say something, then you keep on
And
changing and then again. So your answers were very short, especially in part 3. When it comes to fluency and coherence, I'm talking about, the answers were very short. They were underdeveloped also. So you need to take a moment to think before speaking. Use natural linking words so that you can avoid your repetition and you can maintain your flow. Take a calm breath when you start speaking, because frequent hesitation will lower down your score in fluency and coherence. Okay. Now, when it comes to the second parameter, that is lexical vocabulary, yes, vocabulary was good, but sometimes you use the incorrect word form. I was scaring. So that is wrong. I was scared. When you talked about the incident that happened with you and your mother, and you have to take her to the hospital. So you mentioned I was scaring. That is incorrect. I was scared.
yeah.
Okay. I am interested to learn new things. No, I am interested in learning new things. So again, you use the incorrect word form, right? So try to learn correct collocations and practice for paraphrasing.
Okay.
Okay. Next, again,
Okay.
grammatical range. So this type of error will be counted in your grammatical range also. So try to have strengthen your basic grammar first, I know, and then look for linking sentences. You can use connectors instead of going Okay.
Okay.
Pronunciation was no doubt understandable, but because of fluency problems, it made it sometimes unclear. So, intonation was fine. Focus on practice speaking slowly, clearly, and with natural
Okay.
intonation. Okay? No
So
worries. Keep on practicing. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
thank you. And I will book another also slot for with you.
No problem. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.